Our first snack is apple slices with peanut butter. Apples are packed with fiber to keep you feeling full, and peanut butter provides protein to help you build muscle. Next up, we have Greek yogurt with berries. This low-fat snack is high in protein and antioxidants, making it perfect for weight loss. For those who love savory snacks, try roasted chickpeas. They are crunchy, high in protein, and easy to make. Another sweet snack option is frozen grapes. They are a refreshing treat that can satisfy any sugar craving. If you enjoy savory and spicy snacks, try air-popped popcorn with chili powder. It's a low-calorie snack that's easy to make. For a quick and easy snack, try low-fat string cheese and whole wheat crackers. The protein in the cheese will keep you feeling full. For a refreshing snack that's also high in fiber, try cucumber slices with hummus. It's a perfect snack for those hot summer days. If you're missing your favorite potato chips, try baked sweet potato chips instead. They're low in calories and high in fiber. For a snack that's both crunchy and sweet, try carrot sticks with honey mustard dressing. The crunch of the carrots and the sweetness of the honey will satisfy any craving. Last but not least, we have homemade trail mix. Mix together your favorite nuts, seeds, and dried fruits for a snack that's high in protein and fiber.